Oh, where? What happened over there in the moana? Can you see whānau? Hey, check this out. Titi roki tēnei. Oh, what? I don't know, my Shaded Atua, that's a tohu tera, he tohu tera.
You be my blood, you be my blood, you be my blood.
Oh, kia ora te whānau te iwi me ngā tō hoki. We're back at again at Waitangi, so we're here. You already know what the kaupapa is. We're chasing kaupapa, Shaded Whakaahua, baby. It's the last day here today. We missed the hikoi, eh, baby? We missed the hikoi. We slept. The tupuna was saying after that draining day, that powerful day yesterday, you need to replenish your wairua, you know. Got little man here today. It's his first Waitangi, you know what I mean. He's catching up with kaupapa. Oh, there's the nephew, oh, Joseph. Hey, my man. Hey, what's your whakaaro on this day, today's kaupapa?
Oh, you know, I think it's a good thing. Everyone's here, everyone's proud, you know, and everyone's loud.
Everyone's proud. If you don't know, whānau, this is Uncle Doogie. You know, this is Sir Graham Latimer's moko right here, you know, so you whānau over there, this is what we're here for, man. We're not just here for our people, but we're here for our tipuna that used to do this mahi too, you know.
And our future.
And our future and our moko in there. But anyway, man, let's go get some more, let's go see some more beautiful atua and some more beautiful, you know, creative kaitiaki, eh, my cuz?
Feel the vibe.
Feel the vibe. Yeah, so that was that's the nephew, Joseph Harding. His great grandfather is my grandmother's brother, which is Sir Graham Latimer, you know. And Uncle Doogie, Sir Graham Latimer, he did a lot of mahi for our people here, man, so that's why this means a lot to our whānau, you know. It's like doing all this mahi was for nothing. Not us, not what we're around, man. we live through us, you know what I mean? But check out all the people here, man. It's way different compared to the other days. Anyway, we're just heading over to the treaty grounds where Ngā Tukumata Whairua is, because we just got our word. We missed the launching as well. It's crazy how, as whanaunga, to the waka, you have to pay like, there's a charge of $30 just to go and hono to your own waka. We're going to take advantage of today because it's free on Waitangi Day to go hono with your own waka. Crazy, eh? Your own waka. Anyway, we'll see you then. Oh, noki te he mai Shaded Atua. Yeah, it was late, man. We late. We missed the hikoi, we missed the launching and the returning of Ngā Tukumata Whairua. I needed that good replenishing. I'll tell you what, being here is revitalizing. Like there's replenishing and there's revitalizing, eh? You know what I mean? There's a difference in it. And being here, man, is revitalizing a lot of that Maori. I can see it among our people too, so yeah. Anyway, we're just in front of the entrance to our Ngā Tuki. So this place here, whānau, this place, see the barricades and all that? It's usually closed off. And you gotta pay like an entry fee of $30. Don't matter if you're like tangata whenua or anything. Don't matter if you hono to the waka there. Yeah, that's a bit bizarre to me, eh? Make some profits off our taonga, you know? Just all these sort of unfairness, I say. Because me, myself, I like to hono to these things, you know? I'd love to hono back to my waka. I'd love to always bring my nephew in them, like not on a Waitangi Day, but just on a, when you're wanting to hono to it, you know? But anyway, hey, I don't think it's here, is it here?
Don't you cry. Oh, let's just kiss.
Oh, hey, does it come back? Oh no.
Many months have passed us by.
Let's go have a look, whānau. Oh, my Shaded Atua. I don't know where our waka is. Don't even know where our waka is. Where's our waka?
I don't know.
Don't even know.
I've been waiting for it.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm trying to go around asking people where it is. No one's more here. Oh, look at this. They're on the Zen buzz, eh? Yeah, it was, but now I don't know where it should be. It should have come back to. Ah, and you know what? You know what, my Shaded Atua? I told everyone, go scatter, go scatter. Lucky little man just bumped into me. But I just told everyone, go scatter, go scatter. You know what, whānau? I don't even have predator call people to let them know where I am. So I was just panicking and anxiety, and then it was beautiful. Look, met a lot of beautiful people there. But fuck them out to talk on the camera, but they're beautiful people. Anyway, come and check out these shots that I did. I just stepped into this beautiful fire here, Fire Davis, fire. I just wanted to ask you, what's your whakaaro on this kaupapa that we have here?
Oh, tino tāru te kaupapa, engari tāmai nā whānau o ngā hau e whā, e whakarongo, e kōrero e pāna ki te kāni i tēnei wā.
Oh, you're a fire. That's one of the fire. Ko tahitanga.
Ko tahitanga, manaakitanga, aroha, te me, and so on and
I
so
ngā
on.
wā katoa.
I ngā wā katoa, iara.
Ia po i ngā wā katoa.
Ngā wā katoa.
Mauri Ora whānau.
Kia ora.
Oh, my Shaded Atua wakas are coming back, they're returning. You know, it was a bit bummed out that we missed it, but they're returning. Now that they are returning, we're hungry, man. So I was supposed to go get a kai, but we ended up seeing that, and yeah, now we're going for a kai. Check out these shots. My Shaded Atua, those are some pretty dope shots, eh? We haven't even got our kai yet, we're just heading in now. Real hungry, real wetter, needing a drink. Oh, the drinks that they provide here are straight hot. So yeah, we're off to the market. See you then. Oh, Pete the self, whānau. For a day like this is where it's at. Ice cream, watermelon. My hair. So little man, where's... He's to the toilet. This is gonna mount. Oh well, if it mounts, I'll go eat it. Beautiful. Oh, my Shaded Atua finally got us a kai. Munchies, the taniwha burger. Quite nice here. Awesome too, because you know, we forgot to bring cash. They don't mind doing bank transfers, so if you're in Waitangi, make sure you go get a kai from Munchies, man. Beautiful taniwha burgers. But you're gonna look at some more beautiful atua. Talented, creative Marekura and Kaitiaki, man. Okay, check it out. Give our kai mahi a drink. No, pai ana my bro.
Putting in the name,
Yeah, putting in the mean mahi, my bro.
Yeah, some 3 o'clock.
We just gave our beautiful Atua over there a cold drink because he's been working here. He just said, when the hell on?
3 a.m.
Since 3 o'clock, eh? Since 3 o'clock, man, putting in that mahi. Like I said yesterday, whānau, you appreciate these kai mahi, eh? They go out here and do all that mahi, man. It's hard work, it's hot day. We work every day, you know. We work on ourselves in that, but these guys are putting in mahi, man, and it's hot like... We gave him a drink, man. Dude had a peel of watermelon in his hand. So, yeah, my bro, have a drink, my bro. Anyway, it's getting so hot. I want to go for a swim, I really do. Got my togs there, but my tinana is starting to become mamai, eh? How about you, Nev? How's your tinana? Tino so. But I'll be honest, beautiful people up there. Oh, Bobby Joe! There's a sister there. Yeah. Oh, is that her mahi? Is she doing that? Was she driving it? Yeah. This is on the shuttle, Bobby J Pike here, Uncle Phil's youngest Pōtiki. Oh, well, not the Pōtiki, because that's Eli, but his youngest girl, Bobby Joe. This is the car to get some cold water, because we had some stored in the back here, frozen, really good. But yeah, I'm quite content with everything we caught. We got some beautiful people there. We had some beautiful kōreros, with some beautiful people there. We had some beautiful kōrero. Met a lot of beautiful rangatira, rangatahi, talented atua, creative Kaitiaki and Mariekura.
Saw some TikTok people.
Saw some TikTok people. We are Atua, we are Maori, we are just one, we are all one, man, and there's only one race, human race. So I just wanted to end this with a little bit of a share on my whakaaro on what Waitangi means to me. It's like what Matua Ricky said, it's a lifestyle, bebe. You gotta live it. It's not a come here on a Waitangi day, you got to live it. So my whakaaro is the same as how I got brought up. I got brought up being told we are Kaitiaki of the whenua. So that's my whakaaro on it. Anyway, my Shaded Atua, my beautiful people out there that are watching this, that are loving the Shaded Whakaahua and all the different chasing kaupapa that we're going to be doing. But yeah, that's just my whakaaro on it. Not right, not wrong, just lessons learned, you know what I mean? Anyway, you already know the kaupapa my whānau. Keep feeding our wairua.
Nurture your ego.
Nurture your ego. See you on the next kaupapa my Shaded Atua. Mauri Ora.
No cap, I've been seeing visions. Since a youngin' I've been trying to listen, but I don't move systematically. Really think I need permission. I be on a mission, on the real. We don't move well with authority. Hey, we all produce energy. We be all the same, yeah, you and me. If your vibrations be reaching my frequency, you be in my shade, come cool with me. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't low, you ain't high.